Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Dominica-based soap manufacturer DCP Successors Limited is suing Blue Power Group and 4 government agencies for exporting products to the Caribbean community that does not satisfy certificates of origin guidelines. Now, Blue Power Group Chairman Duru Tanner made the disclosure in an advisory to the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Jamaica has 70% of the soap market in CARICOM, but DCP Successors Limited is arguing that Jamaican soap manufacturers shouldn't be allowed to participate in the CARICOM market at all. The Dominica Soap Company is using a clause in the Treaty of Chaguaramas to support its claims.
They feel that under the Treaty of Chaguaramas, there are certain rules that apply to manufacturing in CARICOM. And manufacturing in CARICOM is defined in a particular way which DCP feels Jamaica is not applying. So in other words, manufacturing, quote unquote, the definition, requires that a tariff jump be made. In other words, you must produce everything from scratch all the way to the finished soap for it to be called manufacturing.
DCP argues that Jamaica should import the soap pellets from their company instead of going outside the region. But Mr. Tanner says Blue Power has other plans. DCP has now taken legal action to bar Jamaica's Trade Administrator and Trade Board from issuing certificates of origin to Jamaican soap manufacturers in respect of soap products from pellets imported from outside of CARICOM. The company also wants the Jamaican Commissioner of Customs and Excise and the Jamaica Customs Agency to apply a common external tariff of 40% on all bulk pellets from outside of CARICOM imported by Blue Power and other Jamaican soap manufacturers. But Mr. Tanner says that precedence could be damaging for other products which are exported to CARICOM.
This whole situation could really be a problem if the ruling goes as DCP is suggesting. Not just with soap, but there are so many things that are made in Jamaica which use intermediate goods to make the final product. And those intermediate goods come into Jamaica duty-free, just like the soap pellets that we are using.
Blue Power Group has engaged the services of an attorney and is in discussions with the government of Jamaica regarding the claim and their proposed policy response. During the legal process, Blue Power will continue to manufacture soap for the Jamaican and non-CARICOM markets in the ordinary course. In currency trading, the US dollar is selling for $150.54. The Canadian dollar sold for $125.36. The pound is going for $212.71, while the euro closed at $185.43. The JSE index lost 749 points today, while the junior market index declined by 16 points. Among the winners were Jetcon Corporation, Express Catering, Epley 7.50%, iCreate, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. Now on the losing side were Palace Amusement, Sterling Investments, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Stationery and Office Supplies, and Lasco Financial. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.